So it's cooling down here in Texas, which is a really good thing. That means that we can go camping now, and I'm so excited about it. I don't like bringing an air mattress when I'm camping just because it does take up so much time and space. So I needed something better than an air mattress, but still as comfortable as an air mattress. So I got this little foam mat thing right here, and it's going to be like a mattress. It's mimicking it, so that's a good thing. It is so comfortable. As you can see, I'm sitting on wood right now, and I can't even feel it. All I feel is the comfortableness of this padding right here. You have a long thing, so I'm 5'3", and I can lay fully out and I still have enough room. This is really comfortable. You have two sides. You have the yellow side and this gold color side, and either way they're going to feel the same. They're both comfortable. All you need is a pillow and a blanket and you're good to go. If you're looking to upgrade your little comfortableness during camping, this definitely is a good choice. I'm Kinsey, and I'll see you